The natural laws the humans live by collection as communities to evolve your own self from struggle and fight with your problems. You must be have any time with your family to relax like Soknath's family. He is poor man, he work in Poipet Casino online 12 hours a day, but he has time for his family. Now I would like to talk about his family and the lifestyle in the past activities until now. His family is a peasant family that has many members and Khmer nation. Cambodian people believe in Buddhist religion. The members of my family are 12, include of my grandparents, and my parents had gotten married in the Pol Pot regime. Now Mr. Soknath has 2 children, older child is boy and younger is girl. He always traveling everywhere or tourist place by motorcycles with his family in Cambodia. As you already know, Cambodia has a lot of beautiful places like Angkor Wat Temple. Cambodia tourism is about tropical beaches, historical monuments, lively nightlife, and beautiful countryside. Due to its moderate tropical weather, Cambodia has been attracting thousands of tourists every year. During travel to Cambodia, experiences some of its best days in the cold and dry months from November to February. It is the peak tourist season in Cambodia when the temperature goes down to 20 degrees Celsius, making the Cambodia trip experience very pleasant and exciting for the tourists. The city of Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, is a fine specimen of the country's contemporary culture, people and religion in Cambodia. With 97% of followers, Buddhism is the main religion in the country. The history of the country also plays an important role in developing Cambodia tourism industry, because people visit the place to take a look at the marvelous architecture of various buildings and temples that were built during the 12th century. Being a beautiful country in Southeast Asia, there are many Cambodia tourist attractions and things to do in Cambodia which people must take note of while visiting this country. Temples in Cambodia. Some of the best places to visit in Cambodia include Angkor Wat, Bayon Temple, and lots more which are famous for their architectural designs, their important significance in history, and add to the beauty of Cambodia. One must consult a guide to know more about Cambodia's historical places and ancient monuments. Koh Ker is also one such site where there are a number of beautiful buildings to have a sneak peek in the history of Cambodia. Apart from these places, there are many things to do in Cambodia that one must try at least once during their stay in this city to have a wonderful once-in-a-lifetime experience. Some of the things to do in Cambodia include watching the Apsara dance, which is a stage show where the dancers are dressed beautifully to portray a nice story in the form of a distinguished art. Cambodia tourism is developing because of activities like these that keep the people involved and wanting more. Nightlife in Cambodia. Pub Street in Siem Reap is a great spot to experience the vibrant nightlife of the country. Several night shows and after-hours parties can be enjoyed at the hippie bars in Koh Tui village. Angkor Night Market is another popular spot to hang out after the sunset. Beaches in Cambodia. The tempting white beaches in Cambodia's Kampong Som province are the emerging destinations in Southeast Asia. Soccer Beach and Independence Beach are lined with luxury resorts and hotels, while Okutil Beach and Serendipity Beach are popular among the backpacker crowd. Shopping in Cambodia. Shopping in Cambodia can also be an exhilarating experience. One can refer to the tour guide in order to know about Cambodia markets and all the things that one needs to buy in the country. The nightlife of Cambodia is also very vibrant and lively, with a number of bars and clubs present in the country. The night market of Cambodia is also quite famous amongst the tourists. One must refer to a Cambodia guide in order to get all the information about Cambodia. A map is a must to travel to the city, which has many confusing routes and roads where tourists might get lost. The best mode of transportation in this country is the bus. There are other options like trains, boats, taxis, etc. However, buses are the most preferred because they are the cheapest mode of transportation, and also offer a comfortable journey without causing any delay. Cambodia tourism is currently working on the development of the commutation network of the place so that people get high-quality roads which will definitely aid the tourists in their journey from one location to another.